Hello everyone and welcome to Cibertips. Today, we're diving into a hidden menace in cybersecurity, computer worms. In this video, we'll explore what they are, how they spread, why they're terrifying, and how you and everyone can defend against them. Stay with me, because by the end, you will understand why worms are a favorite weapon for cyber criminals, and what simple steps can stop them in their tracks. So if you found this useful, hit that like button, subscribe to Cibertips, and ring the bell to stay ahead of every cyber threat. Picture a digital creature that copies itself, leaps from device to device without anyone clicking a link, and spreads faster than any virus. That's a worm. Not a virus that needs you to open an email, not ransomware that waits to be downloaded. Worms are autonomous. They hunt on their own. Unlike viruses, which need human help to propagate, worms look for vulnerabilities, exploit them, and spread automatically. In seconds, your personal computer, your work laptop, even your smartphone or IoT devices could be infiltrated. Why is this so terrifying? First, speed. In 2001, the code red worm infected over 350,000 servers in under 14 hours. Then came SQL Slammer. In 2003, 500,000 systems infected in 10 minutes. Network slowdowns worldwide. Fast forward to 2017, and the WannaCry worm combined worm-style spread with ransomware crippling hospitals across the globe in less than 24 hours. Worms aren't just nuisances. They tear apart critical infrastructure, disrupt supply chains, steal data, damage devices, and sometimes lie dormant to create backdoors. What makes them possible? Unpatched vulnerabilities. A security flaw in software Windows, Linux, routers, IoT gadgets allows a worm to slip in. It then uses network protocols to find other vulnerable systems, scanning IP ranges, brute forcing weak or default credentials, exploiting common services like RDP or SSH. If it finds a weak point, it exploits and replicates. Repeat, repeat, repeat. It's like wildfire in a digital forest. Let's walk through a dramatic example. In early 2008, the Conficker worm emerged. It exploited a Windows vulnerability that Microsoft had patched 6 months earlier, but many systems remained unpatched. Conficker used 3 infection methods: network shares, brute forcing admin passwords, and even USB drives. At its peak, it infected over 12 million computers across 190 countries. It created a massive botnet for cyber criminals capable of launching spam campaigns, distributed denial of service, stealing data. And that was just one worm among many. Worms often combine with other threats. Slammer caused network congestion and crashed satellite communications and ATM networks worldwide. WannaCry encrypted everything it touched, demanding ransom. Some worms deliver crypto miners that quietly use your CPU to mine cryptocurrency run-up, electric bills, and heat without you noticing. Others act as stealth backdoors, lying in wait, gathering credentials for future attacks. Many are polymorphic. They change their code during spread to make detection harder. Now you might ask, are worms still a real threat? Absolutely. Every month, zero-day vulnerabilities are discovered in software we all use. Hackers and nation-states stockpile them. Worm developers monetize them by wrapping exploits into self-propagating malware. As IoT devices proliferate smart TVs, routers, smart toys, thermostats, they become new targets. Default credentials, outdated firmware, disabled firewalls, a paradise for worms. WannaCry infected hundreds of thousands of IoT devices, built botnets that launched record-setting DDoS attacks. So what can you do? First, patch everything. Desktop, laptop, phone, router, IoT devices firmware updates matter. Schedule them. Enable automatic updates. Second, isolate networks. Use VLANs or guest networks for IoT devices. Don't let them talk freely to your main computers. Third, use strong, unique passwords everywhere, especially on routers and smart devices. Replace defaults. Fourth, implement network monitoring. Detect unusual traffic like port scans or mass connection attempts. Fifth, deploy endpoint protection with behavioral detection, not just signature-based antivirus. And sixth, have a recovery plan. Backups offline and tested. Let's break that down emotionally. Imagine a small business. You run a boutique firm with sensitive client data. One worm sneaks in and suddenly all your systems are locked or used to launch attacks. You lose client trust, face regulatory fines, maybe even go out of business. Or imagine smart home devices' camera feeds, door locks compromised without anyone noticing. That's intimate personal invasion. That anxiety, that violation of security you expect at home, it sounds scary, and it is. But this threat is also an opportunity your awareness matters. You, the viewer, can be the barrier between chaos and safety. Take global examples. WannaCry attacked the UK's National Health Service patients denied care. The NotPetya worm spread across Europe, causing billions in industrial damage. These are real human impacts. These are ripples in our societies, not just lines of code. And the heroes? Cyber defenders working around the clock, creating patches, reverse engineering worms, coordinating across borders. Your job? Keep your digital life maintained, informed, and secure. Maybe you think, I'm just an individual. What impact can I have? Your devices are connected to vast systems, the World Wide Web. A single weak link can give an attacker an entry point. But a single responsible user, one who updates, secures, monitors, can break that chain. Multiply that by millions of users, and we have a safer internet. Worms aren't going away. As long as we connect networks and push updates, threats will evolve, and so must our defenses. So if you found this useful, hit that like button, subscribe to Cibertips, and ring the bell to stay ahead of every cyber threat. Share this with your friends, family, colleagues. Everyone deserves to know how worms spread and how to stop them. Your click could safeguard someone else tomorrow. Now let's recap what we've covered. What worms are, their speed and autonomy, famous outbreaks, how they exploit vulnerabilities, how they hide and combine with other malware, and practical, actionable defenses. You're now equipped with the knowledge to make stronger choices. In future episodes, we'll dissect actual worm code, examine how malware analysts respond in real time, and dive deeper into secure network design. But for now, you're ahead of most users already. Thanks for watching, stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next Cibertips video.